Okay, so we're doing lab number 8, I think. And my cups are already filled with water, and then I'm going to put salt, oil, and sugar in these. First, we'll start with the sugar. And I'm just putting 1/4 of a tablespoon because it doesn't specifically say how much to put in there. If I could actually get any in here, give me a second. Okay. Sugar. And we'll brush that off. And then salt. And then the oil. And then I think we wait and see if it dissolves. And then this is going into water.
Ew.
Yeah, the oil looks gross. Okay. Okay, so with mixing in the water, the sugar dissolved, the salt dissolved, and the oil did not. It didn't really dissolve, and it didn't mix. Like, you can still see the oil on top of the water, which I don't think you'll be able to see, but like that. Here's the sugar and water, and here's the salt and water. Okay, so now we're doing the same thing, but with alcohol. This is the one that I've already poured in the cups. First, we'll start by putting oil in the mix. Okay, this one's oil. And let me grab a napkin really fast. So oil doesn't go with the salt or the sugar next. Okay, and then we're gonna do the sugar. Sugar. And then off and off again. And then we'll do salt. And there's the salt, and then we'll wait a couple minutes and see if any of them dissolve. Okay, so with the alcohol, the sugar did not dissolve. It's still at the bottom right there. The oil looks like it kind of mixed, but also there's like some at the bottom. So those are those results, and then the salt also just sat at the bottom. Like all right there. Okay, so after further review, this is the alcohol and the salt did dissolve in it. At first it just sat in the bottom, and now it's mixed in, or yeah, it was soluble. Okay, and so now we're working with the lighter fluid. I have on my safety goggles, and we'll do the oil first. Oil goes in the middle. Wipe it off.
I'm so scared. Is this gonna burst in the flame?
Oh my god, no, it shouldn't. There's no fire. I'll do salt. Got a little bit of salt on the floor. That's okay. There goes the salt. My dog is drinking a lot of water right now.
She's your daughter.
Yeah. Okay, and there is my sugar. And then we'll wait a couple minutes for the results. Okay, so with the charcoal lighter fluid, the sugar did not dissolve. To me, it kind of got a little clumpy, just a little bit. The salt did not dissolve as well. It's still, you can't see it, but it's in there. And then the oil, I mean, it mixed pretty well. I can't tell if it dissolved or if it just mixed. I think it probably dissolved and just took some of the color from the oil.
Yeah.
And so that concludes our experiment.